Hello guys, this is a video of Figma low fidelity wireframe design video series. If you are not familiar with Figma, check the first video of this video playlist, the link on the description.
Okay, now we are going to create wireframe for LinkedIn. So let's follow the step. I will put it like here and then I will click frame and create a Android small frame. Okay, and let's make it bit bigger so we can just compare those two sections like this. Alright, then I will change the name to LinkedIn wireframe. Alright, let's start the design. First I will just click here and click on ellipse. Before we do that, we have to add the layout grid. To do that, I click the frame and click the plus icon. Click here, then make the column count to 4 and gutter will be 10 and the margin will be 10. Actually, we can save the layout if you just click on these 4 dots and click this plus icon. You will get the grid that we created, and I will just name it 4 grid and click on create style. And if I create a new frame, let's create new frame for iPhone 8, and if I want to add the grid layout, just click here and click this to add for grid layout. Figma has features to save grids. Also you can save colors and other styles. Now let's start the design. As the first step, I will click on ellipse and create the ellipse. So it's for this avatar icon, and let's make it 40 by 40 and make it 12 by 12. Make it 12 by 12. Okay, let's make it 10 by 10. Alright, and now we have to create a rectangle. This rectangle is for this search bar, so let's make it a size 30 and I will just add the text called search. Then we have this chat icon. Let's create a small ellipse like this and add it like here. Okay, the first part is completed. Then I will create a line here like this. Then we have this user's details, so create a ellipse, this for the user avatar icon. So let's create it. Let's make it 50 by 50, or let's make it like 70 by 70. Okay, then click a line and create a line like this. This is the name, so I will make it like 5. Let's make it 8. This is the name of the user who share this post, and we have the occupation or job title of the user. So make it like this, and let's make it 2, and we have the time that person shared the post, so let's make it like this. Okay, make it center just press Ctrl G to group it, and let's make it center. Okay, now we have the description of this post, so I will just click here and duplicate this. So this is the description of the post. I will add more details like this, and then we have this big post. So to create it, create a rectangle and let's create this post like this. Let's make it like 340 by 340. Okay, then create a line like this and create another line like this. Okay, then we have the comment count, so create a ellipse, small ellipse like this. Then the comment count will appear here, 125. Not comment count, it's like count. So okay, then we have a horizontal line, and now we have like button and comment button. So let's create the like button here, 30 by 30. Then add the text called like, and duplicate it by selecting and copy it, put it like here. Okay, now we have the bottom menu bar, so let's create it. Before I create it, I just decrease the size. To do that, select the wireframe and click command and change the size of the wireframe. Then click a rectangle like this and create the menu bar. Then we have 1 2 3 4 5 items, so I will just duplicate one of these and make it center. Change the color to dark gray. Then I will also copy the text and send it to above. Then make the text as home. Okay, then duplicate this. Group them by pressing Command G. Let's change the font size to 12. Okay, make them center. distribute horizontal spacing. Okay, now here is the low fidelity wireframe for LinkedIn.
This is an insightful lesson from the Learn UI UX app design with Figma course. So, if you are ready to improve your UI UX skills, you can find the complete course on Udemy. Click the first link on the description to check it out. Let's continue the learning adventure together. See you in the full course.